Hey guys, Alexandra here, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother, and as you guys can tell, I'm having a very vanilla vibe going on right now. You know, got my white hat, my white Alice shirt, vanilla bean scones from Starbucks, just vibing the vanilla scene right now. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I also have for you guys today a Boxycharm unboxing to do and all kinds of BoxyLuxe information and updates to give you guys for December. So much to talk about, so let's just get on into it. Welcome back, you guys, and like I said, let's just get on into it because we've got no time to waste, too much to talk about and get into today. So this first thing, let's talk about this Boxycharm box. So this is October's Boxycharm box. I actually got it the other day, but I've been kind of afraid to open it. So as you guys know, we did a sneak peek spoiler video. There was a couple of different variations. Well, come to find out, there was way more than that. So these are all the different variations that you could get in your Boxycharm box this month. And some items are similar items that we've already received, like the Wonder Baggage Eye Claim, Gold Eye Claim patches, the South Main Under Eye Gels. There are two Ahava lotion hand cream. One's a hand cream, one's a body lotion. So if for some odd reason you guys do get a similar product in your box that you've already, or you get the same product that you've already received, Boxy Preview did post this post, and so just to let you guys know, you can, you know, get a hold of Boxycharm, let them know, hey, I got the same item, I shouldn't be receiving the same items, and they will definitely take care of you, okay? So just to throw that out there, do not hesitate to send them an email, okay? Definitely put them in check on that, okay? All right, I'm scared to open this. I really hope I receive variation 1. I normally always receive variation 1. Let's see what I got this month. Why do I have a feeling I didn't receive? This would be the 1 month since I've subscribed that I didn't receive variation 1, if that's the fact. Let's just go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and look. I'm scared. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, this month is Alter Ego. Yeah, I'm a little upset. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready for this crap right here? Variation 6. I have been doing these unboxings for, I can't even tell you how long. I've had this subscription for, I can't even tell you how long. And I have gotten variation 1 every single solitary month. This is the first one. And this is the one time that I did want variation 1. And this will be the first time that I did not get variation 1. So, first thing in my box is this nice squished packaging, destroyed packaging of the IT Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Shampoo. I know a lot of people were saying this was not the full size. It is definitely the full size, you guys, for sure. So just to throw that out there to you all for those that were worried about that. It does come in the color Super Black. So, all right, I'm happy about that. This is something I'm not happy about, however, these. So I got this in my, God, I don't know, what was it? A few months ago, South Main eye gel packs. Like, what, I can't even, like, Boxycharm, really? You guys could have had a stellar box this month, a stellar box, and instead you want to, you know, put crap in that you have left over from previous months. Then let's get into this. This right here. Yeah, I'm just letting you guys know the reviews that I put on their thing. Like this is just disgusting. This is not a full-size item. Not at all. Not even close. 2 ounces. 2 ounces. Boxycharm, y'all are really disappointing me, and you're making me just rethink my subscription services right now, truly. All right, Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick. I was excited for this. Let's see what color I got. I'm a little afraid to even look at this. Oh, wow, can you imagine that? Crucifix, a brown. Does this look like a brown lips to you? No, that dark a brown? I will never be able to wear this. Like ever be able to wear this. Ever. it's just, this is just beyond aggravating. I'm like, it just fell on the floor. I don't even care. I don't even want to open this palette at this point. Like, this is probably the most disappointing Boxycharm box I think I have received to date by a long shot. By a long shot. By a long shot. All right, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I don't even want to, you know, I was kind of excited for this palette, but so yeah, the Pure palette, I'm not even going to open it because I'm just so disgusted at this point in time. I'm like, really? Really? So yeah, I guess I'm going to be emailing Boxycharm, like, you know, why am I receiving similar products? Why am I receiving unfull size products? Why is it that I get variation 1 every other month, but this month you all send me variation 6? Like, come on now. I was excited for this box, like really excited. Okay, all right. Just gotta let it go, Alex. Just woosah, let it go. Good news is, along with my Boxycharm box, I also got this in, and I've been meaning to tell you guys about this. So real fast, this company, Viter Energy, contacted me and they're like, hey, we want to send these to you. And not only do we want to send these to you, but we also want to send you a couple extra packs for your subscribers. So this is the pack that they sent me, which was cinnamon. However, after I received them, I found out I can't actually try them because I'm pregnant. So I've been having my daughter try them out. Basically, this is like all your vitamins, your coffee, everything, half a cup of coffee, everything in one vitamin. Now, my daughter said, not vitamin, excuse me, in one mint. My daughter said that the mints too are kicking, like they are not to be trifled with. So yeah, you've got niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, and then 40 milligrams of caffeine in each one. So I got 2 of these for you guys. Wintergreen flavor and spearmint flavor. So we'll be throwing these in with our other Boxycharm stuff that we're going to be doing for our giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Those are for you guys though. All right. And for everybody else, I do have a code for you guys if you want to try Viter Energy mints. Like I said, my daughter said they are definitely kicking. So that was her words, not mine. All right. I've got a code for you, 10% off of your order. Stepmama, all caps, all one word. All the information will be linked down below. Let's talk about this BoxyLuxe in December. Let's talk about BoxyLuxe in December, right? All right. So some things that we have found out for our BoxyLuxe in December, okay? Apparently the box is gonna value, now if you guys remember, the box that we got in September valued over $300. Now this one coming in December is valuing over $340. So as you guys know, and if you remember, we talked about, you know, they said this box is actually going to be bigger than the other box. It's going to be a little wider, you know, so they're going to be able to fit more in there. So it's going to be even bigger than the last box and worth more, okay? So we already know and got a confirmation that the Violet Voss Pro Holy Grail palette will be in there, which I am kind of excited for because there has been a couple other Violet Voss palettes that I have really been eyeing and just I haven't gotten because I've got so many palettes. But I'm like, so I'm excited to get this because I've been wanting to try out her formula and I've swatched her palettes. I can't even tell you how many times at Sephora. So I'm really excited to get that palette because from what I've seen so far of it, and like I said, no, these are just swatches, you know, and me playing with stuff at Sephora, she's got a pretty good formula. So I'm excited, okay? The other thing, when he did confirm the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, this was in the background, okay? So there's 2 little sneak peeks in there. One is a Luxie brush, a full Luxie brush set. And the other one looks to me like a hair straightener and maybe even like a heat protectant mat or something that it's setting on. So that would be pretty cool. Not that I need a hair straightener, but you can never, you know, with girls in the house, you can never have too many straighteners. You know what I mean? Things get broken, things happen, you gotta travel, have something, you know, have an extra one. it works out. So I'm kind of excited for this box coming out in December. Plus, you know, it's going to be their holiday box. So I'm pretty excited for that. If you guys have not signed up for BoxyLuxe yet and are interested in signing up for BoxyLuxe, I will put all the information down below. You do have to be a Boxycharm subscriber, so you have to receive this crap first. And then you can hit, basically, if you are not on the wait list already, I know a lot of you guys are saying, I'm already on the wait list. Am I going to get off of it? You should. They said there's still availability. So keep checking your email. I would even maybe shoot them an email and say, hey, you guys aren't adding anybody else new on here without me, right? Don't forget about me, you know, just shoot them an email, say, hey, don't forget about me. But they said they were going through them, and over the course of the month that people were going to be receiving things that they're off the wait list, and they would be receiving the December BoxyLuxe box. Now, if you are not on the wait list yet, all you have to do is go to your Boxycharm account, sign into your account, click on account preferences, okay? And then scroll down, and there's like a little spot in there and it says upgrade. So you click that upgrade button, and then it'll pop up and either say, you know, you're getting the box, or okay, you're on the wait list, and hopefully you'll receive an email a week or two later saying that you'll be getting the box. Hopefully, this is coming from Yosef, not from me. I'm just relaying it to you guys, okay? So definitely check that out if you haven't. Again, check out Vita Energy Mints. I am kind of excited. I want to try these after I become unpregnant, because I'm telling you what, when my daughter had those in her mouth, I was like, oh, cinnamon, because I love cinnamon. And I mean, you could smell it from like a mile away. So I'm kind of excited for those. I definitely want to try them out. So if you guys get a chance, and then like I said, these two babies, I'm going to be throwing in giveaways for you guys. You guys know I've got your backs. Always looking out for you. All right. And on top of that, stay tuned, because when I get done, I'm going to be filming this bad boy right here. This is a new subscription box, Glamour Ghoul, for the month of October. I'm super excited about this new sub box. So that video will be going up tomorrow morning. It's getting recorded tonight. I'm so excited. So I will see you guys later.